Fighting on me. They're full of zombies. Fuck. Can the lyrics need? This lady, she made me nervous. She took me out and gave me breakfast. Said, do you come from a land down under? Northern and plunder. Could you hear the thunder? You better run. You better take cover. There's a man in Brussels. He was 6'4" and full of muscle. I said, do you speak my language? And he just smiled and gave me a Vegemite sandwich. And he said, could you hear the thunder? You better run! You better take cover! What the fuck zijn ze aan het doen? What the fuck? No, not much to say. I said to the man, you're trying to tempt me. Because I come from the land of plenty. And he said, do you come from a land down under? Where women glow and men plunder. You're right to hear the thunder. You better run. You better take cover. The thunder. Where women glow and men plunder. You're right to hear the thunder. Run. Thunder. Oh yeah. Oh kut, hij is dood. Okay. Fuck hell.